Okay guys, as you saw by the title that it is a celebration, so you know what I need for you to do now. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're going to drink. And you might want to get a snack because it is a part of a collaboration. Now, it is a celebration about reaching milestones. The host for this collaboration has reached a tremendous milestone on this platform. She has reached her 1,000 subscribers, so she wanted to celebrate by asking some other creators to join in with her. Now, she likes doing DIYs, which is why I am choosing to do a DIY today. I'm going to change out my lampshades here, and then I'm going to show you guys how I am going to style out this area. So go ahead, coffee, tea, whatever you're drinking, and a snack. Sit back, relax. It is going to be a playlist of a multitude of creators, hosts, co-hosts, and other creators. So once you get started, you're probably not going to want to get up. So go ahead, get all the things that you need, sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm your host here, GG Faison. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my home once again. I am your host here, GG Faison, and guys, today's video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Anna, the Grace Life of Home Decor, DIY Home Decor, and her other host is Glam Elegant Living, Allie. Now they have asked many of us to be co-hosts for this collaboration, as we want it to be a group of women that could come together and celebrate one another. We're celebrating our milestones that we have made here on this platform, many other milestones that we have made in life. So it's all about showing love, reaching out to one another, uplifting one another, and just being an inspiration to another sister. So what I will be sharing with you today, and the rules are very simple. You could decorate, do DIYs, whatever, make it glamorous, make it elegant, make it whatever your style is. It was limitless. So today, you guys, as you see, I'm up here at my side table here that I love to decorate seasonally. So I'm going to go ahead and get started decorating this. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me also take this time to say I welcome you here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you are from one of the other ladies' channels, I welcome you. I thank you for clicking that button. Now, if you're a part of my family here, I encourage you to go over and visit the other ladies. Once you're there, click that red subscribe button and show them so much love. Now, I'm your host here, and I'm going to go ahead and get started decorating this. So guys, as I prepare this space to get it ready to decorate, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time there's an upload, and don't forget to give the thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content, and they will help push me out a little further. So guys, I appreciate all of you. Continue watching, continue to be blessed, and don't forget to check out the playlist of the host and the co-host. So guys, today's video is about reaching milestones. Have you reached your milestone? Is there something that you would like to do that you haven't done? Well, if you haven't started, then do so. And if you haven't reached your milestone, keep pushing. The items that I am sharing with you guys today are items that I already have in my home, all except for the Greek lady and the sign. Those two items I purchased from Michael's at 50% off, which is a way that I like to shop. For those of you, if it's your first time here and you like what you see and you want to become a part of this family, you guys, it is free and easy. Just hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I thank you. Be blessed and take care until the next video.